Hey guys, I'm Tyler and welcome back. Today we're going to be making this double door vanity shaker style doors with soft close hinges. Let's see how we built it. We will start by breaking down some of the bigger pieces of plywood that I have on the cut list, and then we will mill down some poplar to 3/4 of an inch. Well, there you are, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something today that you can implement into your own home. This is going to be a huge improvement. Normally, the kids would jump up and grab onto the edge of the sink, banging their knees into the cabinet doors, breaking them down over time. If you like what you see here, head down to the description and head over to my channel. I'm DIY Tyler for ToolsToday, and you guys have a good one.
If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here. And for more great videos, click right over here.